So when it comes to security, I'm going to actually grab something over here, and that is a security plate. This security plate, so let me back up and say that your deadbolt is going to go through a strike plate in your frame, then it's going through the frame, and then normally it goes through a security plate about this big. And again, when you go to a box store, you may see a security plate that's no bigger than the actual strike plate on the opposite side of the frame. ProVia's is about 4 times as tall, about twice as wide, but the best part is it's 20 gauge steel. So what we're getting on this is the highest force entry rating you can get in the industry. And it's about an average of, well, it's like your favorite football player, about an average of a 300-pound man running 17 miles an hour and hitting that door is around the same force that force grade 40 will give you.